All right, keyword searches and a few tips for using Google. Really quick, the first part, less is more. So the simpler you can keep your search, the better it'll be. And also, the better the descriptive words or the better descriptions in the words you use also will make the search a lot better. So the main point is always start simple. So let's take, for instance, maybe a teacher assigns the class, wants them to look up the information and find out if the element mercury is toxic or not. So you'd simply start by typing in mercury, and let's look what we find when we do that. When we type in mercury, we have over 400 million websites in 18 seconds that pop up. And we have everything from cars to marine to planet to everything you can think of. Newspapers, and those are not the things we want. If we just stayed at this level, we would have a hard time finding the information we needed. There's a few things we could do. We could put another keyword in, element, so that would be our next step. Notice how it starts to break it down, and now we're looking at just the mercury element, and then we could put in our last keyword, toxic, as you saw it there before as it popped up, and we could go right to the information that way, and that would be our keyword search. We went right to the point. Notice I didn't use any ands or thes. Articles aren't looked at in a Google search. Simple words. Keep it your more basic keywords. A few other things. Remember how we first began with mercury here, and we had the planets and all that, and cars. We could use a minus sign, car, and it would take everything out that had to do with cars. Maybe we didn't want to have anything that dealt with the planet, Mercury. So if we do that, Mercury, notice how all the planet pages leave off of there. So you can minus things out of your search. If you find a search with one of your keywords and you're getting a lot of other things you're not interested in, you can minus those out. There's one other quick little keystroke. Maybe you find one key term and you want to say something similar. So if you use this little wavy line here, and let's put in element, it'll say, whoops, things that are mercury that are similar to the element, and then it pops it up. So pretty simple with that. It just gives you a few little keys there. Just remember, simple is better. Use keywords, direct words that tell exactly what you're looking for.